Hello again. I want to share something that comes from my own experience. You can't reinvent yourself. And the reason I say that is because, believe me, I have tried many times over the years to slap another persona upon the other personas that I had and try and be or present myself a different way in the world. Try to beef up my confidence, try to operate in a different way, try to be the best that I can be, and all those things. But they're never going to get you to a place where you feel like you are not afraid. Not afraid of people, not afraid of life, not afraid of putting yourself out there, not afraid of criticism, not afraid of standing apart from the crowd. And, you know, one thing that helps you become more authentic in this world is when you are not supported in so many different ways by the people that are around you, and you have to learn how to not care what other people think. And if you're getting a lot of positive feedback from your surroundings, it pushes you deeper into a domesticated, conditioned, programmed personality that creates anxiety that you carry around with you wherever you go. There's a lot of fear attached to that because it doesn't feel real, and we always know that it doesn't feel real, and it's something that you have to maintain, and it's something that you have to manage. Whereas the real way to sort of get to that place where you're shedding all the fear and shedding all the anxiety is to shed yourself. Whatever it is that you think you are, you have to let go of it all. And when you have experiences that strip you of everything that you think you are or everything that you want to be, it's a gift, because you don't have to earn people's love. You don't have to earn people's respect. You don't have to earn anything. Everything that you are and the beauty and the uniqueness of what you are already exists within you. And to become authentic, we have to find that within ourselves. And it requires accessing the point within us that is a place of calm and a place of acceptance. And it's hard to understand that that's something that exists within us. When people say, "Oh, everything you need is within you," it's not abstract. It's taking your awareness down into your body, into the deepest part of your body, and resting with it, sitting with it, lying with it is the best way, and recognizing that you're loved and you are loved, and nothing other than that really matters. And as long as we're invested in what we're putting out into the world, it's very hard to get to that. And one of the things I discovered when I wrote and published my book, which was such an important goal to me, was another level, another stage of, this isn't me, and this isn't going to define me. Because ultimately, it's not about the thing. It's not about the thing that you're creating. It's not about the thing that you're producing. It's about what you're becoming as you're doing that. And I don't mean becoming like adding on. I mean becoming as in removing, where you are navigating in a space that isn't familiar to you, and because of that unfamiliarity, you become humbled. And humility is a really important aspect of being completely within yourself. And when we go inward and we find that place where we know that the love is there for us, sincerity emerges out of that. Humility emerges out of that. Integrity emerges out of that. Extra more bonus awareness arises out of that. And all of the things that are getting in the way of our relationships, as I've mentioned before, the image management system that we don't realize we're a part of all the time, can be stripped away. That's what we need to strip away. And it's hard to do, especially if, I mean, it's mostly hard to do if you are getting a lot of feedback from your environment that's very positive. But there's no way to rest on that, because it's not something that stays with you permanently. Because if you're trying to be defined by that, then you're always going to feel insecure about when that's going to be taken away, when that's going to disappear. I hope there's some clarity in this, because I'm rambling on, but I just wanted to express to you that you can't reinvent yourself, so that you can stop trying to reinvent yourself, stop trying to add more on to what you are, and instead strip away the things that you've added on so that you can reveal what's there. Because what's there is beautiful and unique and precious, and you need to make it available to yourself and to the world so that we can all work together to build something new, something different than what's been given to us, to build the new system alongside the old system, and participate in it fully, knowing that we have value within what we're creating. Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you again for coming to watch and listen.